Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify CLS improvements for better UI with Web Vitals detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by understanding what CLS, or cumulative layout shift, measures. CLS quantifies how much content shifts on a web page as it loads. A lower CLS score indicates a more stable user experience. Start by installing Google Chrome if you haven't already. Open your website in Chrome and right-click anywhere on the page. Select Inspect from the drop-down menu to access the DevTools panel. Navigate to the Lighthouse tab within the DevTools panel. Ensure you select the Performance category for your audit. Click on Generate Report to start collecting data on your page. Once the report is generated, locate the CLS score in the results. This score will give you a baseline for your current performance. Next, identify elements on your page that may be contributing to layout shifts. Common culprits include unoptimized images and dynamically loaded content. Implement dimensions for images and videos to maintain their space. Use CSS rules to stabilize any elements that may shift during loading. Consider adding placeholders for dynamic content to prevent shifts. After making changes, revisit the Lighthouse tab in DevTools. Generate another report to compare your new CLS score with the previous one. Look for improvements and ensure they fall within recommended thresholds. Ideally, aim for a CLS score of 0.1 or lower for optimal user experience. Regularly monitor your CLS scores using tools like Google PageSpeed Insights. This will help you track ongoing performance and detect any regression. Incorporate these practices into your development workflow for continuous improvement. Lastly, keep user experience in mind with every design and development choice. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.